Good morning, sir, and all respected jury members. This is Navneet Goel from BR 10th semester Graphicera Hill University, Dehradun. My topic is Omex State Tower. The site is located in Mullapur, Chandigarh. That is also a part. That is also an extension of Chandigarh and also known as the New Chandigarh. The site is has two highways on west north side. The west side highway is west facing highway is the main objective of the project is to revolutionize the working place of the Chandigarh and to provide ample parking space and of course round the clock internet connectivity. Being among the tallest structure of the Chandigarh, it is also for to change the perception of the office in and around the Chandigarh. Let's start with the site plan. Following separate entry and exit to the property. 9-meter wide road is provided to all the four sides of the property. Following the GAMADA bylaws and for firefighting purpose, GAMADA is generally stand for Great Mohali Area Development Authority. Let's start with the site plan. As we can see in the sheet, it includes the three parts: Block A, Block B and Block C. Common lawn is and entry to the basement is provided in the beginning, consisting two pedestrian paths in opposite directions to reach to the Block A and Block B as well. Further, as we can see, the round shaped common lawn is provided that is surrounded by Block and Block B. After Block B, there is an area enclosed by Block C and Block A that can be used as exhibition lawn or any other activity, that can be anything, and it also connecting 9-meter road that is available on either side of the property, consisting exit ramp also from the basement. Block C is the last and the tallest tower in which separate lawn is provided for Block C user. Let's coming to the design part. Twin basement is provided to the building to provide ample parking space. Two separate ramps is provided to the basement, to twin basement. One is for exit and one is for entry. The entry ramp is provided in the main direction, that is open to the 70 meters wide highway, and the second one exit ramp is provided to the side lane, that is over 35-meter highway. Talking about Block A and Block B, both the blocks contain two types of offices, Block Type A and Block B also contains Type A and Type B. Both the Type A offices are generally of small size, while the Type B offices of medium size. In the design, I have generally take half of the hexagonal shape corridor that is double loaded, which consists of offices on both the sides, and on one side there is a lift lobby, and I have a staircase on both the outer part, which is open from three sides as by the firefighting bylaws. On the other side, I have a coffee station. I provide coffee station. I have provided conference room on each floor to provide ease of access, and the basic part of the design is that on the outer edge of the block, all the edges are covered with glazing, the inner and well as outer both, to provide general light for lighting purpose. And the talking about Block C, it is a single loaded corridor, again same in the form of half of the octagonal shape. It consists of generally large offices, that is Type C and Type D, which is about 100 and more than 100 meters square. It is generally for MNCs companies that require a large area and large number of staff. It also includes like toilets and pantries too. Yeah, we can also provide pantries and toilets in Type A and Type B offices as per client requirement. For this, the main task is to provide the building services in all the blocks. For that, I have taken the concept of flat slab. Let's go through the portfolio that I have made on the same topic, Omex State Tower. It includes site analysis, site plan, literature study, case study. Here, literature study I have created in this hard copy, spiral binding, and further it includes case studies and comparative analysis. After that, we have a design problem, site plan, all these things I have explained. I have clearly mentioned all the things, and even I have with the floor plan I have also explained the 3D structural concept through BIM. I have totally created the design in the working in the from a Revit architecture BIM, and the main thing part of that I have created the building services of HVAC system on the through the concept of a flat slab. Thank you.